On this episode, we go to the edge of the world at the foothills of the mountains in Dawsonville, Georgia, right here on Eat, Explore More.
And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can be notified when we upload a new video.
What's up guys, DJ and Summer here, and we're back. We are currently in Dawsonville at the edge of the world. This is a popular hiking spot and fishing spot for many in the area and around Dawsonville. We're glad to have you here, and we're glad to have you here on this trail walking with us. So enjoy the rest of this video.
It is coming from Amicalola Falls, which you've seen in our previous video. If not, go check it out. It's a beautiful place to visit. That was the edge of the world on Amicalola Creek. We hope you enjoyed this video. I did want to mention though, majority of this walk is like a boardwalk, so it is handicap accessible.
Yes, and it's a pretty easy hike, especially on this boardwalk, handicap accessible trail. But at the end, where the rocks are, of course, that's more rugged. That's the interpretive trail. So that's the part that's not so easy. But if you want to get some nice shots on the rocks and you're willing to,
climb over some rocks and tree stumps.
Yeah, it's definitely well worth it. But it's, for the most part, it's a very easy walk, very easy trail, very short trail. So I think you're going to love it. Whenever you're out here in Dawsonville, come stop by the edge of the world right on Highway 53 in Dawsonville. You're really going to love it. Oh, and something I forgot to mention in our reintroduction video. Some of our drone footage from our Tribble Mill video back in 2018 got used in House Hunters in the Sugar Hill episode. So that's pretty awesome. I totally forgot to mention that in the last video. But if you ever watch the Sugar Hill episode on House Hunters, which is on HGTV, all the drone footage is shot by us, that was a pretty awesome opportunity, and we were only able to do that because of the support of you guys. So thank you very much. So we'll see you in the next video. You guys have an awesome time.
Please like and share our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.